Have you ever found yourself stuck in a continuous loop of waiting for your containers to start while your CI pipeline is just sitting there? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're diving into how to run Docker Compose without blocking your CI process. I totally get it. Running Docker Compose with the -d flag is a common workaround, but it leaves you guessing whether your containers are up and running. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same issue. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "How do I run Docker Compose without blocking my CI and without guessing how long to wait?" They mentioned using the -d flag and then relying on a sleep command to wait for the containers to be operational. Sound familiar? Let's explore some better solutions together. So what's the issue here? When you run Docker Compose in detached mode, it starts the containers in the background, but it doesn't provide any feedback on their status. This can lead to failed tests if the containers aren't ready yet. Understanding this is crucial for finding a solution. And don't go anywhere. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you streamline your CI process even further. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To address the user's issue, we can utilize Docker's health checks. This allows us to ensure that the containers are fully operational before proceeding with tests. Next, the user should modify their Travis CI configuration to wait for the health check to pass. This can be done by adding a command that checks the health status of the containers. After setting up the health checks, the user can remove the sleep command. Instead, they will wait for the containers to be healthy before running tests. Finally, the user should run their tests as usual. This ensures that the tests only execute once the containers are confirmed to be operational. Fun fact: did you know that Docker was originally developed to help developers manage their applications in a more efficient way? It's come a long way since then, and now it's a staple in CI/CD pipelines. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using a loop to check if your containers are operational. First, run Docker Compose up with the -d flag to start the containers in detached mode. Then, use a while loop to repeatedly check the service's status until it is ready. For a more organized approach, you can create a health check script. After starting the containers, the loop can call this script to verify the service's health. The script uses curl to check if the service is responding. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach shared by another user is to use the command Docker Compose PS. This command shows the status of your containers, indicating if they are up and running properly. Here's the tip I promised. Always define health checks in your Docker Compose files. This simple addition can save you from countless headaches and make your CI process much smoother. And there you have it. By using health checks and scripts, you can run Docker Compose without blocking your CI and without the guesswork. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and keep an eye out for our next video where we'll dive deeper into Docker best practices.